Hey y'all, welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. Today, the kids are gonna do an unboxing because their BarkBox came! Also, just gonna warn you, there's gonna be a lot of dog mom voices. So these little hooligans get the Super Chewer box because they tear up everything. Holiday party. What is it? Oh my goodness! Oh, your gingerbread cookie. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, let's see. Oh, you get this one. Holly leaf. Hang on. How cute. Okay, what's that? Oh, that's the only one you got. So it usually comes with 2 toys. And it's the holiday one, and it only came with 1. What a rip-off, kids. So, gingerbread cookie. Okay, okay. Oh, did it smell good? But yeah, it's the holiday box, and it only came with 1 toy. But they always come with 2. Y'all got gents this month. Hang on, I gotta split it in half. Okay. Hang on. I'm gonna cut it. Okay, don't tell them, but I didn't cut it in half. Wasn't very even. But that was hard. Do I need to break it up some more? I would have really liked that one because it has a little rope. Did you want yours? Was that delicious? And then it came with Moo Moo jerky bars, beef recipe, and then Clucky soft bakes chicken recipe. So they have like their normal treats. So a lot of times they won't eat these. But they love the toys. So I'm glad that the kids got to do an unboxing for y'all today. Actually, Copper finally ate his half. So do y'all want to try one of these? Which one y'all want to try? Beef or chicken? This one? Okay, let's show them your tricks. They don't have many tricks. Let's show them. Sit down. High five. For you. High five. That's all they can do. Sit, they can lay down, but high five is my favorite. I think it is so cute. And then sometimes Daisy will do a twirl, but she kind of just does that on her own. You want to show them lay down? Sit. Lay down. Good. Baby Daisy. Okay, so they like these, the Clucky soft bakes. Okay, now I'm going to edit and then decorate. So, a little change of plans. I have been editing all dang day, and y'all are probably tired of hearing about me editing, but that is literally my life during Vlogmas. But I just now, it is 10:20, and I just now, well, probably about 20 minutes ago, got yesterday's vlog up. So day 617. What is today even? Okay, day 17 is what I just got up, and I've been editing it off and on all day. There was a lot of talking, and so I was just kind of over it, to be honest with y'all. And I'm starving. I still have not got groceries, And I think I talked about it last week. I had planned on doing a grocery pickup order last week, one day after work, and I never did. And then I was gone, and then here we are. And since we have nothing, I've been snacking on my leftover snacks from Georgia all day. I am about to go to Taco Bell because that is the only thing here that is open, and I actually just placed an order online, and I shouldn't have because I got so much random stuff. Once again, I am ordering food when I'm starving and hadn't really ate all day. I did have protein waffles this morning, or well, this afternoon when I got up, but then I've just been snacking all day, so I'm starving. So I'm gonna go pick up my Taco Bell, and then I actually have to drop off our water bill because I forgot to do it before I left for Georgia, and then I forgot to do it yesterday. Correction, McDonald's is also open. I thought Taco Bell was the only one that stayed open this late here. Okay, okay, thank you.
There you go. Have a great night.
You too, thank you. Did y'all see how big my bag was? Okay, but I am gonna double check and make sure my tacos don't have sour cream really quick, because like I said, I absolutely hate sour cream. Like, I will throw them away if they have sour cream. Okay, no sour cream. We are good to go, so back to the house. Gotta love this kitchen lighting, and probably could turn on that light, but it probably won't help. But I thought I would do a quick Taco Bell haul. I think I already told y'all what haul I got, but nacho fries are my absolute favorite. And then I got my 3 crunchy tacos that did not have sour cream. Ooh, I thought they left out my cheesy gordita crunch, but they didn't. It's right here. This does not look like the picture. So here is the tostada. It's literally just a crunchy shell with sauce, lettuce, and cheese. And that's all I got. I know, not as exciting as my snack and general store haul, is it? I was going to decorate the piano in this vlog, and I was gonna do it after I edited, but it's already 11, and I don't know if y'all can see the tree, but I have not done that yet. I'm actually gonna go ahead and end this vlog because I have been having a lot of long vlogs and I need a few short ones. Just kidding. I was about to end the vlog, but whenever I was eating, I was checking some emails, and then I saw that a package was delivered. And the one day I don't check the mailbox, whenever I got back from Taco Bell and taking the water bill, I was like, should I go check the mail? Like, no, I don't think I got anything. And it's something that I have been waiting on for about a month now. I think I ordered it like November 30th or something like that. Okay, so not a month, but it feels like it's been a month. I don't know how you say this, but I'm sure y'all have seen the Instagram ads. But they were having a Black Friday sale. It was, I think, buy 2, get 1 free, maybe. So it is one of those jewelry brands that is waterproof. That's why I have been wanting it. Oh, and they sent some stickers. Oh my gosh. Look. A pink seashell with the logo. And then that one. Oh my gosh. Y'all know that I'm obsessed with this one. Also, can we talk about the curtains and how they look way, way better than the orange ones? Each piece came with its own little jewelry bag. So let's open it and see. Oh, this is what I was most excited about. Can y'all see that? I can't tell if it's focusing. If y'all have noticed this one, so this seashell ring is from Alco Jewelry, and this one is actually turning, and I don't think it's supposed to. I don't know if y'all will be able to see that or not. And it is supposed to be like water resistant as well, but it is starting to turn, and I don't think it's supposed to do that. So I need to look and see if they have some type of warranty or anything. But I absolutely love that one. And then I have my little permanent ring, and then of course my wedding ring. So I was gonna wear it on this hand, but I might wear it with my other beachy ring. I don't know. Or should I wear it on this hand? I'm thinking the other hand because my wedding set is rose gold and that's gold. So I wonder if that like clashes. And then I also ordered this little starfish necklace. So I don't know that this one is waterproof or water resistant, and I know this one is, but I might see what they look like together because I really do love this seashell. But if I like this one better, I may switch them out since this one is actually supposed to be waterproof. And then I got this rope ankle bracelet. So I did have a permanent ankle bracelet, and I actually got it the same day I got this, but it broke twice. The first time she fixed it, all I did that second time was just move it around to where the connecting piece was in the back, and then it just broke. So I don't know if that chain was just too thin or if I was just too rough on it before. I don't know. And then I couldn't really get that one put back on because she had to take some links off to fix it the first time. I haven't been able to go back, and I've wanted to get a new one. If y'all watched my Florida vlog from August where I go downtown, so not the Margaritaville one, I talk about how I tried to go and get one, but they weren't doing it that day. So I think I'm just not meant to have a permanent ankle bracelet. So that's why I got this one. So I'm actually going to put this one on now. I probably shouldn't since it's winter and you won't be able to see it. Oh, but that is really cute. Y'all like my zebra socks? Can y'all even see that? I don't know if y'all can see that or not. And then I might take that extra off where it's not just hanging there. I don't know, but yeah, I just wanted to show y'all that really quick. So now I'm going to end this vlog. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see y'all tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas.